In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a moving average on MetaTrader 5 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned veteran looking to refine your technique, understanding how to use a moving average can be a crucial part of your technical analysis toolkit. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to have MetaTrader 5 open on your computer. Now, look at your chart where you want to apply the moving average. Once you're ready, direct your attention to the main menu at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see various options that allow you to customize and analyze your trading environment. Go ahead and click on the Insert menu. This is your gateway to a multitude of analytical tools that MetaTrader 5 offers. Hover over Indicators. You'll see this menu expand with several categories. Since we're focusing on trend analysis, you will want to choose Trend from the list. This is where you'll find tools related to tracking market trends over time, which is exactly what a moving average does. Upon selecting Trend, you'll find an option for Moving Average. Click on that, and this will prompt a new configuration window to appear. This is where you'll set the parameters for your moving average indicator to tailor it to your trading needs. You'll likely see fields for setting the period of the moving average, the type, simple or exponential, and the color and thickness of the line on the chart. Adjust these settings based on your analytical preferences and click OK. Once you've configured the settings to your liking and clicked OK, you'll find that the moving average line is now visible on your chart. It's usually represented as a smooth, continuous line that overlays price data, helping you identify the direction of the trend over your selected period. And there you have it. You've successfully added a moving average to your MetaTrader 5 chart. This versatile tool can help you make sense of price movements and is often used to confirm trend directions, identify potential support and resistance levels, and even generate trading signals when combined with other indicators. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time experimenting with different periods and settings to see how they affect your analysis. You might find that different settings work better for different market conditions or currencies. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tips to enhance your trading skills. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.